Yo, Jeff, what are you doing?
Right now,
Yep.
I am doing the final touches. Ask anybody how to do a windshield properly is you do it from the passenger side. Just double checking everything before we deliver the car to the customer. It's always good to pull it out, take a look in the sun. The sun in my eyes. So the front end was already wrapped with PPF. That's still streaky. The customer wanted us to do the rest of the car. What's on the outside? So we did the roof, quarters, doors, bumper, wing. And we took the wheels off, ceramic coated it, ceramic coated the calipers. Trying to clean the windshield. Just doing a little final walk around, double checking everything, give it everything. Little wipe, pulling Cirque du Soleil act over here. Just to make sure it looks mint before it goes out. Never know, we're not perfect. Sometimes we miss things. And you make a shitload of noises. Try not to though. That's when I give everybody shit. Clean Turbo S, carbon brakes, lightweight package, sport design bumpers, mint. This is a perfect car. Perfect car for a rally.